Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to utilize the library's e-journals. First, we'll navigate to the library webpage, then scroll down. Under the heading Find a Resource. From here, click on the eJournals link. This is the eJournals landing page. From here you can see you have a few different options of how to locate a particular eJournal. You can navigate our full range of eJournals by alphabetical order by clicking on the letters or numerals here. So if I were looking for psychology, I can click on the P and scroll down to the relevant area to find journals that have psychology in the title. You can tell that this might be a more time-consuming process. So instead, I may choose to search for the journal by title or the ISSN. In this case, I'm going to look for Psychology Today. And I've pulled up Psychology Today by title. Within this listing, I'm going to go ahead and click on the title so that I can get full citation information. I can see the initial date of publication. I can also see that it is available online. From here, I'm going to scroll down under where it says View It, and this area will tell me where I can get this journal in full text, and also from which date this periodical is available from. The majority of the links for Psychology Today show that we have a subscription that goes back to 1992, and any of these links will redirect me to this publication. I'm going to go ahead and click on Gale Academic 1 file. I've been redirected to Psychology Today in the database called Gale Academic 1 file. I have a few different options here. I can either search for the relevant issue by going to the publication year and selecting the year. And then from here I can select the volume number and issue number that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one of these links. Once I'm in a particular volume and issue number, I can see each article listed in the order of publication. And if I'm interested in looking at any of these articles, all I need to do is click on the title. And you can see that I've now accessed this article in full text as an HTML. Let's say that there's a particular keyword or title word that I wish to search for within the entirety of Psychology Today. If that's the case, I can go to the area that says Search Within Publication and type in my keyword and click on Submit. And now I've pulled various articles that include the word family. And you can see that they come from a wide range of publication dates. So we have volume 26, volume 53, etc. And just as I did before, if I find an article that interests me, all I have to do is click on the title. And you can see that I'm now able to access the full text of this particular article, including the abstract on this page. From here, I'm also able to pull a permalink if I wish to share this document with myself or others, and I can also click on download if I wish to have access to a PDF version of this article. This completes the tutorial on how to use our library e-journals. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your undergraduate services librarian. Thank you.